It's our open farm day today, Adventure Stables. There are lots of people. Let's go for a little tour. Hi girls. How's your open farm day? Good? We've got the girls doing sign in here. How do you eat a cookie with your mask on? Let's go take a look at the barn. We've got Jackie and Abby doing some rotting lesson registration. Oh, we'll go into the fiddle shop, and the fiddle shop is also available to come and check that out. Just in here, we'll just take a little peek. Hello. Just doing a live video for Open Farm Day. Hi folks, how are you today? Good. Very good. Oh, we've got Pepper here. Hello, Pepper. He is chilling. All right, let's go this way and explore out through here. We've got the goats, Queen Lillian and Fiona. Hi girls. Hi, how's everybody today? Very good? Very good. Today you get an opportunity to explore the grounds, meet the animals. Hi everybody, how are you today? Very good, nice to see you. Oh, Gloria's having a nap, is she? You just laying in the sun, Gloria? Just chilling? Yeah? You're so cute. Me too. Did you see the little baby scarlet pig? So if you go to the front of the house, she's just in the porch. Yep, she's just on the porch there, and that's baby Scarlet. Hi. We'll go see the ponies. Hi everybody, how are you? So we've got Beauty and Cutie Pie, Little Guy the Goat, and Danny Boy. And the goat thinks he's a pony. The goat thinks he's a pony. I'll take you into our new suite too. Oh, it's locked. Nana must have the key. Well, I'll have to go get the key. Let's go see Scarlet too. Then we'll head into the barn. So, girls, we got Tom Cruise the turkey there, and then we've got Scarlet over here. Scarlet! Come here, Scarlet. You guys can go right up to her. She loves belly rubs.
Oh.
That's little Scarlet. All right, let's head to the barn now. We have some more folks coming. We also have the spa. So actually I'll show you my sister's spa first. In here, so you can get manicures, pedicures, facials. Just scoot through here. And the spa. It's very pretty. So you can listen to the horses play while you get your nails done. And I'll take you to our new yoga studio. Hi! How are you? Good. There's a garbage can right there, hun. Oh, it's okay.
Couldn't be any more in front of me.
So this is the yoga loft. Our new yoga studio. Hi everybody!
Hi again.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good? Very good. So come up here and I'll show you the new yoga studio. Up here, so you can have yoga. I just love it. The energy up here is so amazing. Oh, let's shut the door. Dim the lights. downward dog. So while you have yoga, you can look down and see the animals. The girls are doing some pony rides for Open Farm Day. This is a free event. Happens once a year. And that's our studio. We call it Yoga in the Loft. We'll head back down and we'll see how the pony riders are doing. Got lots of people interested in a ride, little people.
It was fun.
How you doing? Good? Good. We got Tia and little Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Hello. Look at your hairdo today. Hi. You're giving lots of pony rides to the children. You're such a good boy. Then we've got Doc. Hey, Doc. And my Grace. Wow, good job. Very good. Where should we go now? We'll just go down this way, see if we can find a kitty. So Open Farm Day is from 11 till 5. It's also our riding lesson registration. Do you guys mind if I just scoot past you here?
Of course.
Thank you.
Or you can see where the other people are standing outside.
There we go. And we've got a bunch of folks down this side taking a look at all the animals. So that's Abe the Babe, ladies. So he is a retired racehorse. He never won anything. He wasn't very fast. And that's Dolly. That's Luli. Hi. And yeah, so if you're looking for something to do today, we welcome you to our Open Farm Day and our riding lesson registration. And have a great day. Bye.